What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best robot mops in 2022. There's a lot of choice for robot mops. The days of the dustpan are over. The arrival of the robot mop combines technology with convenience, meaning that you no longer have to put in that elbow grease in order to have clean floors. However, not all robot mops are created the same. They can be expensive, too, calling for a hefty investment when you want the upgraded features. It makes it all the more important that you make the right decision when choosing the best robot mop. A robot mop, much like a robot vacuum, but armed with a water tank and microfiber cloths, or mop pads that wipe your floor in place of, or in addition to a dustbin, can be incredibly useful as part of your regular cleaning. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. iRobot Brava Ultimate Robot Mop. The iRobot Brava Jet M6 is a mainstay among robot mops and our pick for the best robot mop. This unit cleans using precision jet spray technology with smart mapping capability, using Wi-Fi to connect, so it knows exactly when and where to clean. Thanks to its SLMA navigation, it is capable of moving around furniture and other objects, using its Smart Maps feature, so there is no worry about obstructions. Even better, it is recommended for use in large spaces, and even multiple rooms, making it ideal for your own home. Suitable for a variety of surfaces, you can use this unit on flooring types like hardwood, tile, and stone floors. When it needs a charge, it simply returns to the dock and then resumes activity when full. The battery runtime is limited to just 90 minutes, but a quick charge or even a replacement battery solves that problem. Specification and features. Brand: iRobot. Color: white. Controller type: Vera, Amazon Alexa. Battery cell composition: lithium-ion. Are batteries included? Yes. Reasons to buy. Methodical approach. Carpet and rug recognition. Straightforward app. Reasons to avoid. Additional supplies required. Slow to clean. Number 2. Samsung Jetbot Mop. With dual spin technology, the Samsung Jetbot Mop uses dual spinning pads, plus a smart sensor, to identify and clean a variety of different surfaces, including tile, vinyl, laminate, and hardwood. The smart sensor can identify walls, furniture, and stairs for a more stress-free experience. There are 8 different cleaning modes, including focus mode, random mode, and hand mode, so you can customize cleaning to specific areas and cleaning methods. Because of this, there are 2 sets of pads, mother yarn for heavy jobs, and microfiber for your everyday needs. And, with the automatic water dispenser, the pads are kept moist and there is up to 50 minutes of cleaning, before requiring a refill and 100 minutes before needing a charge. Because of this, there are 2 sets of pads, mother yarn for heavy jobs, and microfiber for your everyday needs. And, with the automatic water dispenser, the pads are kept moist and there is up to 50 minutes of cleaning, before requiring a refill and 100 minutes before needing a charge. Specification and features. Brand: Samsung. Color: white. Battery cell composition: lithium-ion. Are batteries included? Yes. Item weight: 5 pounds. Battery life: 100 minutes. Reasons to buy. Very affordable. Extended runtime. Dual spin technology. Reasons to avoid. No mapping capabilities. No auto charging. Number 3. iRobot Brava Jet 240. The very small and very budget-friendly iRobot Brava Jet 240 is particularly good at cleaning small spaces, but still impressively quick when cleaning larger areas. For first-time robot mop users, the Brava Jet 240 is a great starter device. We were impressed at how well it cleaned edges, and liked the fresh scent left from the disposable cleaning pads when it was done. For less than $200, it's an easy way to keep your floors clean without lugging out the mop and bucket on a daily basis. While it doesn't have the customized mapping and other bells and whistles found on the Brava Jet M6 or on many hybrid robots, it will leave your floors cleaner than it found them. There are 3 types of proprietary pads made by iRobot that work with the Brava Jet 240, a white, dry sweeping pad, an orange, damp sweeping pad, and a blue, wet mopping pad. Each type of pad is available in a 10-pack for $7.99. Reusable, washable pads are available in addition to disposable ones. A set of 3 reusable pads, which includes one of each type, is available for $29.99. Specification and features. Brand, iRobot. Color, white. Size, 6.7 by 7 by 3.3 inches. Weight, 2.7 pounds. Mapping, no. Smart home compatibility, no. Reasons to buy. Lightweight and compact. Multiple cleaning modes. Replaceable battery. Reasons to avoid. Must purchase washable or disposable replacement pads. Drags dirt around. Number 4. iLIFE V8S Robot Mop. This hybrid robot vacuum and mop won't clean out your wallet, but it will clean up your floors. What the iLIFE V8S lacks in bells and whistles, it makes up for in cleaning prowess. The iLIFE V8S has 4 different cleaning modes that work in both mop and vacuum modes. Classic, which sends the bot bouncing off of walls, path, a methodical, M-shaped cleaning pattern, edge, for cleaning along borders, and spot, for targeted cleaning. As with most robot mops, the company recommends vacuuming prior to mopping. To activate the mop on the iLIFE V8S, switch out the dustbin for the water tank, dampen and attach the microfiber mopping pad, and choose a mode using the included remote control, or on the bot itself. The V8S will get to work. iLIFE says the 300 ml water tank is roughly enough to clean one room, and recommends refilling the tank before cleaning the next room. Because it lacks Wi-Fi connectedness and isn't capable of mapping, you'll want to keep an eye on it while it cleans. No one likes a squishy carpet. Specification and features. Brand, iLIFE. Color, V8S. Size, 13 by 12.6 by 3.2 inches. Weight, 5.9 pounds. Mapping, no. Smart home compatibility, no. Reasons to buy. Methodical cleaning pattern mode. Quiet in mopping mode. Remote control supplied. Reasons to avoid. Not Wi-Fi connected. Needs supervision in mop mode. Number 5. iLIFE Robovac L70 Hybrid. The iLIFE Robovac L70 Hybrid 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop utilizes an upgraded laser navigation system, and is rated for a long, 150-minute runtime. Better yet, should the battery run low, the Robovac L70 Hybrid will return to its dock, recharge, and then resume cleaning, where it left off. The accompanying iLIFE Home app allows you to adjust mopping power, customize maps, and set virtual boundaries. Mopping with Robovac L70 Hybrid is straightforward. Add water to the removable tank that sits just above the dustbin, dampen the microfiber pad and attach it to the bot. The Robovac L70 Hybrid cleans in a methodical, serpentine pattern that ensures no floor area is untouched unless, of course, you've set up a no-go zone for it. Specification and features. Brand, iLIFE. Color, white. Surface recommendation, carpets, floor. Battery cell composition, lithium-ion. Are batteries included? No. Reasons to buy. Methodical cleaning pattern. Laser navigation. Long battery life. Reasons to avoid. Too tall to fit under some cabinets and furniture. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.